Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I did a thing. I have this, let me show it to you. I have this System76 launch keyboard. I'm not sure if you have one. If you do, this video may be interesting to you. If not, feel free to like and subscribe anyway. Yeah, let me show it to you. So for my live streaming needs, I use OBS and I have a couple of scenes. Scenes are where I transition from one scene to another scene. So this is basically what happens now, yeah? This is the scene one, and this is scene two. And for this, I have usually been clicking with my mouse on the scenes buttons on my, let's call it management screen while I'm showing something to the public on the external screen, like on the second screen. Other people, like serious streamers, usually use devices like Stream Deck. These are little devices with physical buttons which are programmable and with little screens on them, which you can push. They are tactile, right? So you don't really have to look at it, look at the device. You can just, do your thing and click the button to change the scene or do some automation in OBS. These devices are fairly expensive to what I would expect from something that in reality I only need to change a couple of scenes. So right now I only need two buttons. Honestly, I only need two buttons right now. I may need more in the future, but at this moment, for the past year and a half, I haven't had the real need for a third button. So what I decided is, as this System76 keyboard is fully programmable, I have decided to program it. So let me show you the application. Okay, here it is. So this is the layout of the keyboard, and then you click configure keyboard. You choose one of your buttons. Let's go to, I don't know, layer. Let's go to layer 2. And here I wanted to put F13 key in order to bind it to a special use case that I needed. This was the idea in my head. So I got to the function keys here, and there was no more keys to choose from other than up to F12. So you're asking yourself, maybe, how do I have F13 to F16 here? So let me close this one and let me show you this one here. Okay, good. It's kind of broken right now, but it's just that it didn't scale to the small resolution of this monitor. But basically, you go to the configure here. Maybe I don't need this in reality. You go to configure. Okay, let's just zoom it in for now. I don't know why they didn't scale, but basically you would go to layer 2 and you would choose a button that you need to program, and voila, there you have more keys than previously. So basically what happened here is that I have searched on the internet how to program this keyboard to add more keys than the original configurator allows, and I stumbled upon a Reddit page where someone asked the exact same question as I had, and that was how to add more F keys to System76 launch keyboard. And he got the answer, and the answer was that the application for configuring this keyboard is open source, and like go ahead and change it yourself. So the answer did appear slightly condescending, is it the word? But it only took me a couple of seconds to think, like, well, how hard can it be, right? Let's go to the GitHub page of the keyboard configurator, and I scrubbed through the source code, and I found where the keys that show up are basically prepared for usage, and I just added some more keys that I needed, recompiled it, and this is basically it. So if you need more keys on the System76 launch keyboard other than the configurator allows, such as F13 to F16, you can go ahead to my GitHub page, just download my source. It's just 2 commits ahead of the original software, and just do the cargo run release after you pull it, after you clone it, right? This is not the correct URL. The URL that you need to pull is basically this one here from my page here. There is, let's not go to commits here, let's go to merge requests. Okay, so a couple of days ago when I did this, I was like, why not share this with everyone? And so I did. I just did a like a pull request for them, and if they accept it, well, good for everyone. If they don't, you can still go ahead to my repository and use it to get these couple of keys. If you need more keys on your System76 keyboard, let me know. Maybe I can add more of them to my version of software while the System76 is thinking about whether my fix is good enough for them to accept or not. I can't be the judge of the quality of my code because I'm not really a programmer. This was really a small, very, very small, let's call it commit, right? So I can't really judge if this is good or not, but it works exactly as I need it to work. Also, you may be able to drop here into this discussion and just put your thumbs up here for System76 to maybe speed up their review of this pull request and tell me if it's good or not. To be honest, I don't care much about whether this gets accepted or not. I'm just going to be honest. I only needed to modify my own keyboard, and so I did. But also in the spirit of free software and the community, I wanted to, give it back if anyone else wants to use the same functionality. So that's going to be it from me for today's video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe, and do all this good stuff. Maybe ring a bell to get notifications for the next video. And the next video will be tomorrow evening when we are doing the very last session of LPIC, learning about Linux. And after that, well, some of us are going to go ahead and pass that exam. See you next time.